What's up guys, so it's time to check out the new Xiaomi Mi Watch. This thing comes with Wear OS and has a design much similar to the latest watch from Apple. Anyways, so when you will open the package, first you will get the device itself, which is looking beautiful, housing a small 1.8-inch display. Let's quickly power on this thing and have a quick look to its interface. So when it comes to the design, it is really sporty looking, with an aluminum body, and the texture is really good. The charging dock is at the back, and really, the device is extremely lightweight. The screen has sharper curves, which looks attractive. Moving to the strap, it is made out of a skin-friendly rubber, which is very flexible as well as durable. So the device comes with Google's designed Wear OS, which is really attractive, and it has around 50 plus optimized apps, which works really well. It also has an eSIM feature, through which you can use cellular internet, as well as you can make or receive calls. In addition to that, the device comes with the company's designed voice assistant, which will be Google Assistant for its global version. So the watch is generally customized with MIUI skin, and it also has payment apps like Alipay. It works really well, and you can also show your payment barcode right from your watch itself. There are apps like WeChat too, and you can also type or receive messages. As you can see, it is much like a mini smartphone. In addition, the device supports GPS, so you can also use this for navigation purposes. As we have mentioned, this is much like a mini smartphone, so it has a processor also to drive all the apps smoothly. It comes with the Snapdragon 3104G chipset, which is clocked at 1.2 GHz. In addition, it has a massive 570 mAh battery, which can last up to 2 days in a single charge. The device also comes with a notification panel, supporting airplane mode, NFC, Bluetooth 4.2, as well as Wi-Fi. It also features an independent vibration motor and a pretty large speaker to watch videos. The Mi Watch can be used to connect and control smart appliances at home, like air purifier. It also works as fitness tracker, coming with heart rate monitoring, VO2 max sensor, sleep monitoring, and body energy monitoring. So overall, the watch is really snappy and responsive, and this is a vibrant AMOLED panel, so the quality of the screen is really very good. As you can see, the crown on the right side can be used to navigate through the watch. So this is it. Pricing details will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope you have liked the video. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.